You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name in French. We'll be looking at how to say more French names and brand names that many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Leclerc is how it's said in French, silent C. There are famous supermarkets in France that are named that way, and a famous general from history, and there are tanks, French tanks, that are named after him. Leclerc, Leclerc, so Leclerc, you could say in English. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.